Hello friends, my name is Tejas Patil and today's date is 31st October 2022 and today's video topic is on database. First we will see what is database. Whenever if we consider any language, if we consider Java language, then when we perform some operations on data, so that time that data is saved temporarily on that device. So when we means when we run again other program, then that data flush out and the garbage collector clears that data. Because of this, we have to introduce the concept of the database. Database means we stores that particular data for long term, and for means permanently we can store that data. And because of this, most of the means most of these if we take practical examples, if we consider banks and hospitals, everywhere there is a particular database, and we have to save that data. Then there are basically two types of databases. So a relational database and non-relational database. So a relational database is used this type is used most frequently. That is MySQL database. This is a Oracle based company, and second one is non-relation. For example, in this we use MongoDB. What is the basic difference between relational database and non-relational database? In relational database, we stores the informations in tables. That means if we want to store, if we consider example of student management system, and if we put information like student ID and student name and student marks. So if you want to store this stores in tables, and in in non-relational database, this stores in like a string, means it's separated by column. So because of this, if we consider relational database, the searching is very fast because every row has a particular unique ID, and because of this we can search any type of data very fast. But again, if we see the capacity of that database, when uh, again the concept of there is a file system or file handling. That means because of this, if we stores huge amount of data in SQL, so because of this, that response is become slow. And if we stores that means if you want to store huge amount of data, we use file system. That is, we directly stores data in our folder, and there is a very huge capacity of that folder. And now we consider an example. If there are if we are taking input of any students, and if there is any student that is not that student's data is not used frequently, we can store that data in our file system. And when we want to use data frequently, we will store in SQL. So that's all from my side. Thank you.